Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. I beg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpaka. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
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 Ẹ̀kọ́kí bàbá túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí bàbá túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí bàbá túnẹ̀.
Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí bàbá túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí. Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí. Happy Sunday. Oh. Ah. Asi ta kwenye me.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí
Ẹ̀kọ́kí
tóyí.
Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí
Ẹ̀kọ́kí
tóyí.
Jésù túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
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 Ẹ̀kọ́kí bàbá túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Ẹ̀kọ́kí bàbá túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí tóyí.
Báyìí di Jésù.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà mi gbé.
Nígbà tí ó fi ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ kò ní ṣe. Ọ̀nà lágbá ló dẹ́kọ̀tẹ̀ ló yá pín Jésù.
Queen Rita.
Òsàmáyí pé
Queen Rita, the lady of the
ló pẹ́
moment.
lúdà.
Queen Rita.
Ẹ̀kọ́ ní Jésù túnẹ̀. Mọ́tò yá mi máa fa. Mọ́tò yá yà fi ẹ́ tẹ́bi màá ní ẹ̀mọ́ lágbọ̀.
Queen
Èmi
Rita.
àti ọmọ rẹ̀ ńlá ẹni máa yà gbé.
He said it in
Lójú
his
mọ́lẹ̀ ló sàrọ̀ parí ẹni mà. Ẹ̀kọ́ kése ìjọ̀túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí
Ẹ̀kọ́
tóyí.
kése ìjọ̀túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí
Ẹ̀kọ́
tóyí.
kése ìjọ̀túnẹ̀.
Àfíà máa fi ẹ̀yà tóyí you. My introduction starts from 500 or 1K. Ew. Queen with photo. Wow. Of the whole world. Queen Rita. Wow. Wow. Local. Of Papa Kekama Universal Rita. Universal Rita.
Egogi Jesu tune. Egogi Jesu tune. Egogi Jesu tune. Egogi Jesu tune. Apiama peya toi toi. 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 Egoge baba tune. 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 Apiama peya toi toi. Apiama peya toi toi. Apiama peya toi toi. Apiama peya toi toi.
Apiama peya toi toi. Ako Egogi Jesu. Oga tuta fiama peya. Eli oje edede na so lasi egbe. Elu gba peye no sunu be koko ya ala tuta ko wa mi Jesu no ki. Ogiolo say one of the whole world ritoto. Boko ni wa ye die. Good morning.
Egogi Jesu tune. Egogi Jesu tune.
Apiama peya toi toi.
Egogi Jesu tune.
Apiama peya toi toi.
Egogi Jesu tune.
Apiama peya toi toi.
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 Egoge baba tune.
Apiama peya toi toi.
Egoge baba tune.
Apiama peya toi toi. Good morning, my lovely people.
Báyìí di Jésù, àtẹ̀mọ́ lẹ́fẹ̀mẹ́lẹ́. Nígbàdí òbí ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ kò ní èyí o. Ọ̀nà alágbá ló dẹ́kọ̀tẹ̀ ló yá ti Jésù. Sọgbà òsàmáyí kwé. Nọgbẹ́ Lúdà.
Risotto,
Ẹ̀kọ́ fi Jésù túnẹ̀.
Apiama
Ọ̀dọ̀ yá ni
peya.
màmá. Ọ̀dọ̀ yá ni àti àgbẹ̀ni màdé màdá pọ̀.
You ought to say me.
Èmi àti àmọ́ rẹ̀ ńlá eyín máa yàgbé.
They need Jesu no.
Lúdú máa nẹ̀ lọ sàrọ̀ parí ẹni mọ̀.
Instead, they need Jesu.
Egoge ṣe dọ̀túnẹ̀.
Apiama peya toi toi.
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 Apiama peya toi toi.
Apiama peya toi. Apiama peya toi toi. Apiama peya toi toi.
Apiama baba túnẹ̀.
Apiama peya toi.
Egoge baba túnẹ̀.
Apiama peya toi.
Egoge baba túnẹ̀.
Apiama peya toi.
Egoge baba túnẹ̀.
Oh, epa one. Wa talk pe baba ni baba. Hello.
Hello.
Epa like you son. Epa social media president one of the whole world. Or they know that one. O ma gba me for one of the whole world. O bi akpa no wa muti agbisen ebi muti a. Hey. Oh, what is the most beautiful woman on the social space?
Ulala no.
You really like video domo.
Kamwe yo ne yago e for fun.
All right. Hello. Agbera ba ne pa. Oni here ba if you yen on na pa. Oni de popularity. Agbera ne long time. E na ya me gbe ko wi aje ba ne na. E pa e mi ma bo ken ka o mi ti wa gwan jo o wa gi ma si le gbe tu e. Iri ogo gwa no ruwe yin o gi ma bi yin ja anya le gbo ani ma ye gbe ri owo dadi. Wa ri gbe you we everybody be ni ke ya yin gbe Facebook. O gi ma bo ken ka o mi ti wa se gbe anon ija. Wa se gbe anu wa gi ma bo e gbe le gbo a. Oni me ke ko no na bu we. Ona e di meeting. Domo we wa ri gbe you wo no na ri we worry you pe se no yin gbo. Oge ka omi ti mi amu ewe dana. Mi awa sebo ya imu nda wo kin ka omi ti. Mi ari nda na. Domo. All right.
Moi speaker.
Domo.
Ya dome ya fe o ya fe tu warama. Ene omona. O ya fe wa dege. Emo bowo mane ni kai ta no de eyi we gbe wita
Oh la tian me gba se de dati la tian ni. Il me problème.
o pe ano o ko no no wi je me bo alo o we ero aya baba ni
Oh sun.
ka so ka ba
Yes.
o ma ko ma the live video na mama wo we me ma se ni we na ga kwa le no we awo ma ni wo no zo npopo wo no se dikin
Oh ga sun bu we de ne wero wa.
wonu sie dike nu dawe ewo ya ge nu dawe ora teme go lawa we wonu go
Oh ga sun bu.
owu wa ko bisi o to gbe na loke
Il said ni Jesu.
o
Oh we yen wa.
we wa to gbo wa ni o
Oh we yen wa.
o ni emu e program na ria
Oh we yen wa.
ni ya gbo bo ni ya talo ma ze ni ya talo ma so
Oh we yen wa.
talo ma to ni talo ma kun
Ka go.
o wa to gbo wa ni
Oh ga sun bu.
owe o to ne do ga gbo wa ni
Oh we yen wa.
ancestor so le do ga gbo wa ni
Oh we yen wa.
bo panya ino gba mure no ko muro ga gbo wa ni
Oh we yen wa.
o ga gbo gbe ki o wa
Ogbe mi ya no yin le ga bi o wa mi ya no yin mi no me o.
o ma re ke ni wo wa ni kemi ya fe na ya gwa lo wu na ya gwa lo mi are
Yes.
o na wo ni ye gwa le mi dada e o wa ni ori nya e o ka
Oh
so
we
ka
yen
ba
wa. Il said ni Jesu.
program e na atemu
Le ni Jesu o temu ne da o se yin re na.
wa te agwa lo mo mi omo
Il said
wa to agwa le igo
il said il said
agwa lo dom
il said
agwa le keka umi ose
il said
wa ya fe ni ge ri o ka je nu wa
il said
wa ga ori no ma ora manu wa wa na wa do go ori da ino du wa se wa ya ha e eni ta ri o ga ji
il said
so
baba
ba to pe
il said ni Jesu do mo aba wa talk pe oge ka o meeting no ro o ke mi we ile mi we la mala baba ri gbe ba ri mo la wo we wa digwe se ni ya ngi mari egbe mi wo ma hin won understand be na
oma
to bore ba papa wa agugi
okay o okay baba you
do mo
okay
my people, how na day? Good morning, Jane Peters. How are you? How you doing? Lovely everybody. How are you doing? Lovely people, Ritoto people. How na day? So my beautiful people, especially the fans and followers, the hookup members and families, I thank you all so much. Thanks for following from the day one. You know, we are going to do only 30 minutes here, and we are moving to my new page, Ritoto AY TV. So that we can continue the analysis over there. We have some video to analyze. If you are joining us for the first time, you are in the platform of Rita Ayememo TV, one of the most beautiful ladies on Edo cyberspace, one of the most beautiful, eloquent Benin woman on Edo cyberspace, one of the most reasonable Edo woman on Edo cyberspace, one of the most articulated Edo lady on Edo cyberspace. We're not many, my people. If you not know, na fear do now. But the reasonable people on Edo cyberspace, we find pass. Na bie na suki bie Edo cyberspace. The ones, I think there are about 4 or 5 like that. Especially the queens of beauties. They are not so much, you know. The queens of beauty with natural wisdom that drips. Queens of beauty. So number 1 of these ladies, we there do cyberspace. No pay for no mo say asa tattoo. O kwa mo say for no sa tattoo. beautiful. Let my people tattoo. Oh, look me tattoo. Oh, one of those ladies is Isokin Dahusa, a Dimorphy wife. Oh, no man didn't pada with ye few. Oh, ladian, I cannot damn vesia. Inibo kunimose. My people, that is what we call Isokin. Oh, Dimorphy. Then another person, where he be say, it's still fine, finish. Admin, don't forget your work, daddy T. Because now that daddy T way, ain't work beyond way now. Me marry ain't daddy T in see wala. Me and my husband are coming on a beautiful topic. We never arrange our finish. Daddy T. Please, it's either you call him Erodo or you call him Daddy T. Alright? Daddy T. I don't want to mention his traditional name here. My first and only son. He have a traditional name, a Zimbabwean name, a Shona name for that matter, which is called T. That name started from birth. It didn't start today. But unfortunately, I don't know, my son started incurring jealousy already from there, darlings. Queens, don't talk too much, sweetie. Alright? Queens, don't talk too much. Queens uses code. Then another person, my lady, or my beautiful people, where you also find finish with this cyberspace is Lolo the golden fish. Lolo the golden fish. Lolo, you the way I talk. When woman find finish, opera no kwa nebo na yama ebuhu ebe de da edinu de na. Emi reme da na mu kebe Facebook no manari ni Lolo jo ule oga for waiting. Eseti ga. You know, as you can see, the reason why all their food they done for live video is because of Lolo, the golden fish. Most of them. Very few people can really accomplish a tangible topic and finish it without the name golden fish. Organic mama. Organic mama. Organic mama. Lolo, the golden fish, the number 2 beautiful woman. Now, me they call result. I can put myself at the back, no problem. Then another beautiful lady, Edo lady on Edo cyberspace, dripping oil with wisdom from the throne of grace. She doesn't need to read anything. She not go school, but she have a natural wisdom. It drips oil. Because the oil, as they drip, now so they touch ground. And all of you are saying it. Most of you have been blessed by the oil already. Who is that person? Iyore one of Paris. She fine finish. These are the people that I will be coming specially for a special honor this December. Are you hearing me? For some reasons. Iyore one of Paris. Will say bungbe my people. Or two. And one of the bege. As it they be. Opera me no. I'm gonna call love or I live a my people. Facebook now very few. Unless a man get wisdom, veni meje, veni not paje, veni ni ke jeni me wisdom or how we are team ke oga without a mass ni jorejo. But a man boom, ya marry ni joreje va ya e ga my people. Ya mwake ni ke gas ye. I jore be oga. On you say not me one room why give me up with jury because why if you up with jury back account why dry, which is true. Anything do one, and if Lolo anything do Lolo your bank account go dry. Oh, what dry you so Lolo is a person you're supposed to be giving prayers and accolade every day. No one can demonstrate it to say out of all this news and see to say I can really do a complete topic without Lolo. It go work. It not go work. Then another person, where you find finish, where I still see say God give natural beauty at those cyberspaces, Esther talk show. Now not see how she find. Forget about whatever, whether view on Facebook or no view, but just look at the beauty alone. Natural woman, beauty that drips. Esther talk show. Sorry if you don't hear your name here. Sorry. It doesn't mean that you are not beautiful or I'm not saying you. But I just know that there are women who are beautiful. Then another person that I will not lie to you on those cyberspace that I love and I respect so much. I respect her for some certain reason. She's beautiful. She's looking good. She's cool. She's fine. It's myself, Ritoto. Queen Rita. Please, as I'm saying this, make una change my name, or my name don't change. You said that you call me Modailo. If you can't say it in English, you say it in Benin, Iyodo. If you don't fit talk for Ijodo, for Edo, you go say Queen Rita. My name is fully changed. Now me be the queen. I'm Queen Rita. Alright? Queen Rita. I feel good here, my people. Queen Rita. If you want just call me, you want to enter my show, you want to say whatever you want to say, I think it would be wise if you say Queen Rita. Or you say Modainlo. Or Ijodo One. No Magbaviva. Which, as you can also see right now, I'm the lady of the moment on social media. I'm becoming the lady of the moment. If they don't talk about me, they cannot complete a topic. Queen Rita, exactly. If they don't talk about me, they cannot complete topic. B&B, beautiful. Myriados, beautiful. Queenish. People with queenish characters. People who are beautiful. People who doesn't need to pluck from people before the grace increase. People who doesn't need to talk about people before they will be wherever they want to be. And as a matter of fact, right now, I'm becoming the most talked about on Facebook. I recognize every moment when I get to. Every moment when I get, I recognize them. I always take barrel and pin. I will pin down every moment I have to say, wow, I'm the lady of the moment. The most talk about. You don't need to just say, Rita, Ayemiomon TV. He said that they are updating my name South Africa account because they can't do without it. Alright? Or they are updating it on their live video, trying to change the beauty and the queenish in me, which they cannot achieve in a moment. Queen Rita. Thank you, Mama. It's okay. Queen Rita. Now me. Oh, see, my beggar you go to any another pallet movie begini. Ikbo, on a river, most of the Avi and Puni yoga kega. So I see any other any miniritajo, and if I am making naga. In my 7 anime people, honestly speaking, I honestly know say I don't reach like this. So now I come to see and say, wow, Sarah is also beautiful. Black beauty. Anyone who na see, who na write their name. Let me accolade them for their beauty. And here. Alright. Dominion. Bravo. Awabe Mose. Oye Mose. Dominion. Okboko no Mose. Yeah. No suki no tiny zo. Ne zomoko ne zologo. So my people. Now me. Be Queen Rita. The lady of the moment. Wait, be say, Ohoni why mana tell me. He said that you directly or you directly arrivo, yamanarivo, ega. Yamanarivo, their food not go ever done. Never. And as I'm talking right now, women will be like me, they are so jealous of me. And I don't even know that. And you can see the evidence everywhere. You think say now you know pass. You think say now you get and pass. You think say now you know pass. All these are what we call evidence of jealousy. I don't know who frustrate my people. I don't know who frustrate that one where that one just they cry for that side. I don't know mommy agbonri. Or wa vie wo wa go kin kao. Imama no frustrate go kin me wo. He say he do marriage. He me never do. But the papa has not known for her. O where ma on ba o. He je ke gbopo yera nya. Era ke wu. Era ma kao miti ba o. Era ma bege mi ogo na gia yok ma utansa de. The papa no see cow meat for her. But me I here to give on me. Because the me what me and I when ya beg karatin ya ni asano la dian ho. Here wa fie banana a monkey must to la dian. I mean Queen Rita. I don't say if I give them banana, they must come out. Because I know say if they hear marriage, ijo they will say, wow, you want to do marriage, me I can't disturb them. Many people say if you give monkey banana, what did they do? I say they go jump come out. You go say, hey, marriage ero to need to disobey. It banana no wa be marry no wa. A tactics in when na be man na. My tactics work I be no work. I beg you, my admin oga dogbo boy a phone. Dogbo boy a phone. Oga u too much gbe ya the banana ni ya rule la dia. E we don me check yan. We are water. Our la jack bri. Oh wait, you want to do marriage? Me will come disturb this time. And I'll chuck away. Be my chuck away. My come out. Boy, have a walking cow. I tell you, say my man do shit. For how long? You know say I today she. That one not the reply. Me why you on Facebook? Now me you test start Facebook they do. Now my hookup you test start show. Without my show you never get show for live video. Without my Facebook you never get. And Sarah talk all of them that day. E Sarah say yafo. Or wait to me vie wowa. If people they watch me, you go they cry. You always cry when people watch my live video. You cry when they watch Lolo. You cry when they watch Ijori. These were your tears. It was your pain. And there has never been a video where cow meat wife don't ever do for this live video. Where be say na topic. What my beggar there? Yes, so what my beggar there? What my way topic or bad then on mudia. He said that mere topic in him. Or Ijori Aruwe or a Lolo Aruwe. My hanori there no working cow. My monetize a page in your man on my nine. You bought butu yata. My hanya page and a gratuity your page in my house, guy. Yes. That page, ODA Kate Show, is moi. Oh, moi, Rita, monya. Is for Lolo. Lolo needs to be given an award based on that. A lot of page was monetized under her name. And a page in your Lolo, no. A gratuity your page in Lolo can collect a renter or do I collect it? And no must be a more. Mais Facebook ou nan waya collect gratuity ni Lolo. O da wak mori. Na so life be. A page ni ODA show belongs to Ijori. My hanya page ni is for 3 of us. ODA show belongs to 3 of us. Aga ye ha. E ketari if it or your bokpavo Ijori made you bokpavo. A Lolo you bokpavo. My hanya page ni belongs to us because a kid cannot offer anything except trouble. The only thing she can offer is trouble. The only thing she can give is problem. Kate does not have wisdom. She don't have senses. When a trouble while lily here on Facebook, who will marriage again? Marriage without honeymoon. Marriage without life. Marriage that is not breathable. Marriage that got no impact on any way. More impact in a marriage of way. When I dropped your marital picture on my Facebook, it was carrying more than 1,000 likes. Before I brought it down, I throw it to the bin. Now, you don't need to be on my page. I've been a lie. Now, my page, now I give you 1,000 likes. Where to be in a picture where man wait to the platform away. Because you don't even have a platform. So not bad, you know. The only thing you can offer over there is trouble. Nothing else. You don't have wisdom. You don't get sense. The only thing you give is problem. You have been a traitor. A poker right from day one. You where they talk, say my mama they watch Facebook. Let me tell you something. I'm very proud of my mother. Anywhere where I go, now mama they follow me, they go room. Yes, if you no go yata. But who way? Is he made who way I been with any way? When I make babu no way. If I make babu no way, my me boy I tell you me for my way. Who when there? I only say my mama has screenshot the person where be my sister where they follow me for Facebook, they do trouble. All his content I screenshot and go give mama where be sister. I screenshot and go give mama where be auntie. May look and say mama will come they follow you. Is me a lely mwene nweje. Saba me la wo. What say be rubbish video when they make babu no when no zongo. When no zongo la diam no. Mama will come they follow you. Akpo zongo we nweje akpo bi. What did my mama follow you for? Yeah. I cannot go now let no keke. My mother never see better person follow. You go say na you. For waiting now. Ija. To even start with. A marriage. No way. We be a marriage because a bang we not tell marriage when we will enter there fully. Because you want me to discuss and this time around. Where we marriage ya? Because me ma be marriage o. A marriage no do manager wera a marriage. When my marriage, who where ba where na ba where it belong. You never even do marriage. Have you done marriage? I've not seen marriage anywhere. Because the man where they marry you never know your papa has till today as we dey talk so. Or don't marry where my supply road in Lagbera, or my ring road in Israel Lagbera, or my Ted Johnson Nijwe Lagbera, or my Ikbobai, or my dad evo nukere where do bets do we hear me that me ebo ni mekere keke bo weri me. Come and bet. Or that from where my anywhere. Or don't when we kokoro no we muju wa. E cow meeting agbele yok ma slaughter. Nya wodo. O man wa ni rakere o man wa ni jwe kere. Then when I be we are there we bono to jwe kun go no ye nu wa ya gbogba ye ziken. We tell me na te marriage a. Wo hijwe mi ekworo. Wo hijwe mi egworo. We tell me na te marriage a. There wo hijwe. Hijwe gbe papa si be dene na be benjo ya gwo ni san be ba. O gbe papa si be dene na robu wa boda fun. Abi Orobu wa boda fun we nu wen bi koko wa gbo ni sinju we ye mo bi ansa. Agba ifa fi ye bo mi ansa. Yes or no? Agbiju we babia magba ifa we ke la jami la video we magba papa si nu ki adi we do to sa to agun egun. Aiwa. An wo hen ka o meet. We ke la dian di ba do agun egun ju we agba papa si ne bo mi san. We ma han wo pata ade de ga pikiju we yan ga dun en to osan apike dede. Oh, mama, when I agree with that video now, you say, "Ihu ni retire ne." Isha, ye gwera me ro wa ma fia okpopo O ma fia okpopo no de no do hun go. No do juwe ya gbe miliki. Ha? Egbe eji very oni keti. Awoto. Egbe eji ni. O we mure nu we do ya gbigbi akia bupo. Nu do ya gbigbi akia be ba. We are taking on now in a bejo. What time am I there? My only view while the yeti body only. I respect privacy of my followers and fans. Eh? Is you better balance in where? When my team can well allo say the bijouer. This you were not vanisan. Where am I go ya with marriage? Wana miwe. Taking wana miwe. There two women go wa acadology or wa can look good. Where is it? Isu we manado vanisan. We marry manave there ya we tag which we see me panty bi ba. Ave boni ni hion man ni podongo you we dedeni. Ya we tag which we see me panty. Ya ga si ona si agedi and you here dedeni you here go do iro. You here ni mavalo. Ya which we. We my have a Facebook una get typist ji me hin wo no je school we na jo. Ogi jo na nwina na zeki. Di nwina ni jo nwina le do. Where is the work where your mama do? The munanish when we never better or book up your daffon and yana and tell we both be at Yavi Bejo. The munave on this when we na. Yahi shoe who hair waffis lolo. A halolo delelo heva. But that we no see looking at that. Oh, no, lo de no la which work at Wadi. You know how many needs? Oh, how many needs? Wait, don't answer your mama or Morocco. When all of the no la Morocco wear, anu salwa. Anu vagua okuta. Amikao. When wo emi atie no la emi atie obi wear. So if I wait to my way, my bottom green name is Idomun that me swear. Awa. Egbon, home is home. Ijale we family. But when or we rorie. Yes. Rorie. One man mu worry man we. You sure? Now me be Queen Rita. Okpo ko be ni meje. Me live Facebook ne. Akeso anywhere. O ma ye ni logo amaye we one day. Where me tell me total day. If I'm going to present akpa for 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Chuma ehwena. Uhwena. Me oro to vo e wisdom to it. No me ne butu. E man need to work man ya make it topic unless you only have do gbeluwa. Unless you only do see luwa lo. Ofo ni na be gu wagun a. Wa ga si mesi o. E pe di mo fi di egbe iwe mi ma make it rogi ma po le gbetu e. O salobua. Oh, me man, me ma poshi. Again, ya tell me Facebook now. I'm not a posh woman. Oh, it's just a low boy. Wa who rocket? Wa be rocket liluwe. Wa mwegbe. A reputation yari e Johnson. Akadori agbo ani. Yes. Ari agbo ani. I reagbo ane hwere. Mona go follow the Toto Ewa TV. We are going there to analyze this useless video we do. A video ne be ma ho. Why am I monetize? Me are you were monetizing now? A page me second one not drip go not drip ororo. When me go by me Facebook. Uma mi go ba me social media na. I go ni me mu nza ma via yak mi go. Ya drop a video 1,000 no to ye. Yes. Ya gbe pa yo hu. When ni go no la dia wo kitegba. Me na vek pa yo hu. When ni go no la dia wo kitegba. Otu roro. Na me be Rita, Queen Rita. Ritoto. Asia. Me I go analyze make una hear my people. We say they use juju. Wa we coffee we go very je go sa yerere. E fra bisa we ta wanyo. Mwani ati e go sa. Always sa many da sa many la lo horo. Asia. You reach me. We see me gbe ne a. Ayin mi me ya mu gbe na we retire mashe na. Zobo. Because we when gbe ayata lo ami robo. Even we wu na hu jeni tani. We ma ni mi me ye mu gbe a. Ayin mi ame ye me we gugu mu zu. Ribe na hu jeni tan. Ana beg me ye me we ni zu obo. E dey na bata. Because if I dive into you, I must see something bring come out of your body. I don't open another page. If I dive into you, immediately ladin. Isilo abody ali porridge. Where? You know you waiting down and talk just now. He said na me. Or we must see any page in man monetize. Or we runda we je make him on Facebook. They no take work in your yare mukele legbe na. Ija. So you to say your yare mukele legbe. For where me dey. Ni ya la webo. Ija. Image ki ati webo ta give me webo. Abi wa wa ta Facebook I be witch. Azen. I go me total your glory. Ina total your glory amieriebo because ina no si kakobi si rock by me pe. Are you getting me? Era no si kakobi si. E rock by me pe. So we come we okay ya oti engwine. I then me do la don't tell me anything that is home. O ma gu he no fear obi. Me ye bu we. No more say we 20 years la in Facebook una do ya do okpogozogo. Una do ayo se we ye dai. O manu gbe ki gbe agia no na mu no visual because e sagion ju waye. But on gbe no ma do junu yaka. We gbe agia. Abeg go get that faith told you. Me una give me more go dey analyze am for Toto Ewa TV. We move. Be up this year aba agbe hun gbe wa. Wa ga video na na ya e de na no awa ya do give 6 o'clock. Abi ye o. Ah busy be man na dem wa busy ne degbe. E tu gwa le saga. See saga from way. Saga the hungry you may do our service for you today. Praise the Lord somebody. Praise the Lord somebody. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord somebody. Hallelujah. Oh mamu wa we san le la video wa to gbere tabi ati gbe me. Me ana gbugbo asi we kun. Ya is a mak pe bu na ze lesi we asi we kun. Imi a lesu we e ti agbo e. Mu ho ho abagbon. Iba bola we la no gie we gbe. Ya gbe nu gushi ya uye fiete. We mari o de e lolo mo bo we ati gun am live video. O mari o ti o mo bo wa seti gun an. We ne ki gbugbo we na do yo. Somebody say, please forget your sister. Don't answer her. Agbe running and no day. That one at home. Leave that one me talk. That one not be problem. Me and moons are kids who me answer cow meat. I want first time. Bomba to bomba. Queen Rita. He's just a low boy. Queen Rita. Abola we be bagmon. Avec moi okuta o he kawo o hwenea. So click and subscribe to Toto Ewa TV. We move, my people. We need to finish the analyzing of that stupid audio we should do for Toto Ewa TV. Let's go.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware